Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Smart 6 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, you need to access Settings and tap on Security section. Now click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern pin or password. When you're ready, tap on Next and enter your screen lock. Then choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it, and tap on Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now you need to pick one of those options to answer the question, how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I would go with Don't show the content at all. When you're ready, click on Done. Click on Home button, and now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!